Hi friends, up here in the corner. Say today for science, I have a fun experiment that I'd like you to try if it is okay with your mom or dad. You need to check with them first, and maybe if now's not a good time, maybe doing it over the weekend or even tonight, because there's a chance it could get messy. Great experiment to try to do outside or else by the sink or by the bathtub. So I'm going to play the video, and the lady who's demonstrating it here, she has great success with it. I have to tell you, the first time I tried, I made a mess. I did not have great success. It took me 3 tries before I got it to work. So enjoy, and I hope you have fun with it.
Hey everyone, it's Danielle from Cool Science Experiments Headquarters. For the experiment for today, we're going to fill this glass with water, then we're going to turn it upside down, and the water isn't going to come out. It doesn't seem possible, and we may make a bit of a mess, but we're going to have some fun trying. Are you ready? Let's get started. Like I mentioned, for this experiment, we're going to fill this glass with water. We're going to turn it upside down, and none is going to come out. The items that you're going to need for the experiment are an empty glass, some water. You're also going to need a piece of sturdy paper. We're using a section of poster board. The paper must cover the entire mouth of the glass. You also will likely want a container just in case there's any accidents. To begin the experiment, you're going to take your empty glass and you're going to fill it all the way to the top with water. It is very important that you get the water to the complete top or the rim of the glass. So let's take a closer look just to make sure the water is to the very top. Now that the glass is completely full with water, it's time to move to the next step. We're going to take our poster board and we're going to place it on top of the glass. Now I'm going to slowly pick up the glass and have my daughter put the container underneath. Now I'm going to place my hand just gently on the paper and turn it over and then remove my hand, and let's see what happens. The experiment appears to defy gravity. It will fall eventually. But can you tell me how we were able to get it to stay even for a little while? Leave a comment below to submit your guess, and then visit CoolScienceExperimentsHeadquarters.com to find out the answer. You'll be able to print out instructions for this experiment, and then you can find many more that you can do at home too. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.
Okay, friends, the thing to remember here is that it does make a mess eventually, but instead of submitting your comments below, can you figure out why is that happening? Why is the water staying in that glass? I don't know about you, but I noticed something that happens right before the water came out. Another good thing to remember is this website, CoolScienceExperimentsHeadquarters.com. They have lots of good experiments for you. This is also in Seesaw. So if you aren't able to have this video play later on, or if there's trouble with it, I also put the video in Seesaw. Have fun, friends. Bye-bye.